In this lecture, we will see brush scattering. Go to the scattering option in the brush settings panel. The scattering will shift the brush horizontally or vertically from its origin randomly. To understand it better, let's select the maple leaf brush and set the spacing to 150%. First, paint it without any scattering. Now increase the scattering value and paint it below we just drew. You realize that it has randomized the brush position vertically, but still it has similar spacing horizontally. Let's select the option of both axes and paint once more. This time it has randomized the position horizontally and vertically both. The next option is count. Right now the brush can stamp only one shape at a time. This count option will stamp the specified number of shapes at a time. For example, if you specify 3 in the count, then it will stamp 3 shapes at the same time, repeatedly. Below that, you have count jitter. This option will randomize the number you have specified in the count. Means now when you paint, sometimes it will stamp 3 or 4 shapes, sometimes it will stamp 2 or 1 shape as well. The control drop-down works the same as we have seen in the shape dynamics chapter. You can use multiple dynamics options at the same time. Here we set the scattering option, but from the shape dynamics, we also can set the size jitter and angle jitter to randomize the size and rotation. This will add random leaves with random rotation and random placements. With these options, you can create a designer background. You can also change the colors and paint multicolor leaves in the background. Let's talk about a question here. I want to have brush counts between 4 to 6 only. How can I do it? Well, in that case, you need to make trials in count and count jitter, both sliders, if you want a specific result. Here, make your count to 5 and set the count jitter around 25 to achieve this result.